What'd you say?
Something about this music makes you want to drink.
Alright, got the door welded on. Just gotta put the handles and stuff on. But that's how we did it. Should hold. Cool. Hey, so we got the door welded on there. Horseshoes. See that? Hell yeah.
It's almost perfect.
Almost perfect.
Almost only counts with horseshoes and hand grenades.
That's why we use horseshoes. But yeah, so that's
all sealed up.
That's it. Hinges work well. Handles work well. Alright. Next thing is starting to build the trailer up.
Feet to the thing.
Oh yeah, and then I got the feet on the bottom one. It won't make sense to you now what those are for, but they're gonna be a stand, railroad spikes. Yeah.